Greetings, and please pardon the mess and super dramatic lighting, but let's make something fun this time. Here I have two roughly the same templates that I've drawn for a grappling hook. Now, kind of how this works is we've got the slot on this side, which matches the slot, or the lack of a slot on this side, so that they fit together. And then this notch that's on either side of this will allow paracord to wrap around it. And then this hole in the center will have room for like a ring and the cord and stuff to wrap through. So should be pretty secure. So downward force will be pulled in this direction on this part, which should lock onto this. But then this will be basically where it could free fall, so you have to stop that, and that's where the metal pin and stuff will be right there. And then both pieces will be held together better by the paracord. We'll start cutting. It's a very stock removal type project, but I think it's going to be a fun one, and I'm curious to see if it can hold my weight and just really how well it works. We will get this put onto some steel. It's going to go onto my super wide piece of W2 because it's thick enough and I feel like it'll be strong enough. So we'll get it stuck on. Alright, I have to hurry because my phone is about to die. But they fit together now. They are really tight. But I'd argue that's probably a good thing versus them being too loose. Isn't that cool? I think that's freaking cool. Like, it's really solid too, so I think it's gonna work. Now all I need to do is heat treat it, and we can actually like test it out and stuff. Yeah. Awesome. Alright. So I got the oil heating, and as for the rest of the heat treatment, it's going to be a little bit ghetto this time, because I'm just focused on getting like this section hard, and it doesn't even have to be perfect, it just needs to be harder than it currently is so that these don't like break or bend or anything. So I'm going to be using the propane torch. I'm going to heat them up just once. I'm not even going to normalize. I'm going to quench, and then I'm going to just go over them again until they're blue. So, at the risk of y'all copying the monstrosity that is the way I decided to secure this thing, I'm not going to show it. Come up with a professional way to do this, because I don't know how safe it is. But I've got it tied to one like larger piece of rope as well. And I mean, it holds my weight at least, so that's good. But now to show y'all, and I'm going to be doing it in this small tree because it grapples really well, so well in fact that I can't shake it down out of the tree, and I would like to be able to retrieve it, so we're going to go with a smaller tree. Time to really live like a ninja now. I mean, you could swing it and stuff, and that works fine too. But this is, we're going for a smaller branch. I'm just going to, that feels really secure, and very nice. It's very secure. So, that's pretty neat. I feel like you could really climb something with this, especially if you could get up against it and kind of walk up it, because it's not that hard. That's what these knots help do too, is they like anchor your hand, give you something to hold on to. Yeah. Not too bad. Oh. Thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe and all that stuff.